Do you have that Valentine's gift for that special someone? Well, if not, and you have some scrap wood, I'm going to show you how to make a catch-all board for that special person. Make it any style you want. I chose to use bright colors, so let's check it out. Going through some of my scrap wood to see what I can find to make a catch-all board for Valentine's. I have 2 pieces of scrap wood shaped like this one, and as you can see, I drew half of a heart. I have placed this piece in the vise to keep it steady while I cut it with this saw. Cutting this piece of wood is a little bit challenging because the piece of wood in of itself is small, and so the saw wants to hit the actual vise, so I have to move it around a few different times to get the cut of the heart. Also, I'm not always able to keep the guide flush to the wood like you really should, again, because the saw wants to hit the vise. So I'm just trying to get a basic cut as good as I can get it here. The challenge doesn't stop me. I'm getting her a little by little. I just have to keep changing the position of the wood in the vise. Switching it around so I can finish the cutting. Shaking it apart. So 1/2 of the heart done. Now I used this half of the heart as a template and drew it on the other piece of wood that I had like this, and now I am cutting it now. Moving it in a position again so I can do more cutting. Tighten her up. I wanted to put 2 halves of the heart together to show that a heart is no longer broken if it was. Again, it's hard to keep the guide flush to the wood. And for the second piece, we have a heart. Yay! Now to sand the pieces of the heart really good. I love seeing the grain in the wood pieces as it is so pretty. Looking good. One side of 1/2 of the heart has some little holes in it from where nails were, so I am just using a little bit of this wood putty to fill in those holes, and then I will sand it. The holes that I'm patching are really very small, so after I complete filling in the holes, I will only have to wait a couple of hours, and then I will be able to sand the heart. So I have this beautiful red metallic acrylic paint, but I'm going to water it down really well and make my very own stain because I do want to be able to see the wood grain in the heart. Check out the color. Just a little bit of water in with the paint. Mix it up thoroughly. Use a small piece of scrap cloth. Dip it into my watered down acrylic paint that I'm calling a red stain here, and then just rub it all over the 2 halves of the heart. First half of the heart done. Now to start on the second half of the heart, making sure to get a good coat all over the front and the sides, and I will stain the back later, but you don't really have to. Okay, done with that. Drying time. I am going to be using these 2 scrap Hydro Dip palette boards to put the heart on. I am going to be using these metal mending plates to attach the 2 Hydro Dipped palette boards together. Just peeling off the paper or the tag that you can never get off. Using a Sharpie to make some dots for where I'm going to drill the holes for the placement of the screws. Just placing in a bit that is close to the size of the screw that I will be putting into the mending plate in the boards. Drilling holes where I made the 2 dots. Same for the other side. Had to blow the dust off. All right, now for the screws. Just lining up the mending plate with the holes I just drilled, putting in the screws, and then drilling it in. One side done. Repeating the process for the other side. Boards attached. Now I'm going to be taking my scrap wood heart that I made and taking 1/2 first and using wood glue on one side, and I'm going to be placing it onto the hydro dipped pallet board, and then I will be taking the other half of the heart and doing the same thing. I'm going to be placing some granite pieces on top of the heart instead of clamping it because I just don't want the heart to move at all, so I thought this would be the best method. Woo! The wood glue has dried now, but I think I'm going to go ahead and put a screw into each side of the heart through the pallet wood. So I'm going to use a Sharpie to make little markings, little dots of where I'm going to drill the holes for placement of the screw through the pallet board and in through the heart. Drill bit on. Now for putting in the screws. Placing the catch-all board on the nightstand next to the bed, we're going to pour a nice glass of wine for our Valentine that will be placed on the board. Our Valentine can put his or her keys, sunglasses, there might be a little special gift on there for them. You might want to put on the center of the heart, their phone. It's a beautiful catch-all board, so vitamin pill holders, whatever they want to put on there. Or maybe just some wine, a little candlelight, and maybe a little special gift on there. Another Poppin PJ's Garage creation. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Happy Valentines!